I was looking around for a really good quality knife, and that's when I stumbled upon this knife from Benchmade. Super cool, super sleek. This thing is dark, and the handle is carbon fiber. So you will notice, if you get it, how light it is. It is deceptively light. This thing, it feels like it's just paper almost, right? But not only is it super light, it's very functional as well. So it has S30V steel, which is among the higher end of steel, super durable. So I would highly recommend this knife to anybody. This is the way to go.